Now, why is it now the second time in a row I've hit something here? Luckily, this time we didn't hurt the rim, but man, I ran over a dang block and some chains here. Come on, man. Last time I curbed the wheel, now I'm running over crap. There's either too much stuff here or I'm just not paying attention. Both times I've had music going, so maybe I'm just in the zone. But it's hard not to get in the zone out here. You know what I mean? We're just loving this stuff. Guys, I honestly don't know if it could get any nicer out today. It is a beautiful late summer / early fall day, whatever it is right now, but leaves are starting to change, fall down. It's about 70 degrees out here at the shop, and it's freaking perfect. I absolutely love it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this time of year, and hopefully it stays, right? We got major updates today on several things, but most importantly, the skid loader. It's back over here at the shop. It was down and out for a while. If you guys didn't see before, we had the Starlet headliner in there from Amazon, and then Ovi blew an AC line or something with the AC system, and he ended up doing a bypass to get it running again. So it's over here, it's working again, and boy, we got a sick wrap that we're going to show you here. Let me get inside the shop though. We got everything, and I'm just so grateful that you guys choose to hang out with us. Let's get inside this morning here. Wow, it is freaking beautiful in here. Got the L5P. We've got, oh my gosh, look at the dang CF Moto getting put back together. I'm gonna blur it out, and I'm gonna black and white so you guys can't see how sick this thing is. Absolute progress has been made on this thing. Parts are coming back from paint. Major video coming on this thing next. Okay, I'll take you off blur. Got the L5P and the LML in this corner now, moving things around. You can see some of this. Some of the parts from the CF Moto. There's the backrest for the seats, and here's all the doors. We can check out the doors. Look at how sick. Again, Ovi bought it brand new with some assembly required. So here are the doors, electric, everything super nice. You can see there's door handles, all the electronics, the trim that goes with it, some of the boxes. Here's the panels themselves. Oh yeah, that U-Force, boy. All the bolts, hopefully don't lose any. Look at how nice those door handles are. These look like straight out of a truck. These are so nice. This thing's gonna be one heck of a unit once it is put back together. So if you're into side-by-side, stick around for this because we got a major video coming, hopefully next. It's gonna be absolutely epic to get that thing, taking a little break from the truck stuff for a minute. Big truck news coming too though. I got one heck of an idea here that I ran by Ovi, so we might have another vehicle joining the channel. So bear with me on the truck stuff here. But before we get to the skid loader just yet, if you guys didn't see in the last video, Ovi flipped the dang Razor Pro. So go show some love on that video. That was a riot to see. He had a blast out there at the Badlands. But we got a little bit of damage on that. We did a little damage review. Got the new jet skis over there. But real quick also, guys, we have linked up with Super ATV. So anytime you need anything for your Razor, I'm picking on this one because it's on the ground, but they got bumpers, they got grills, they got headlights, wheels and tires, all the suspension components you could ever want, seats, steering wheels, audio, electronics. Super ATV's got it all, and Ovi's got a new hat. I got the shirt on. Yeah, 20 years in service. Quick shipping, free shipping, I believe. And boy, they get you stuff fast because we tried it out and we got our stuff fast. So anytime you need anything for your dang Razors, side-by-sides, etc., Super ATV, one-stop shop. Bam! All right, now let's get over here. I've said enough. Let's check out, drum roll please, and the wrap on the skid loader. Look at it, the 329 is starting to match the fleet. Look at how crazy that look at how nice that is on there. So Ovi ended up doing the wrap himself. So take it in for a minute, I know. Had to throw the Boost Auto flag on there. Always support the sponsors, so if you want to sponsor us, we'll get you some airtime. Look at this. Looks super incredible so far. Absolutely awesome. I'm gonna look up the name of the wrap company real quick. And I'll open the door here. That way we can get around the other side. So Metro Restyling, guys, that is the company that made this wrap. As you can see, the white and teal, black and gray camo to match White and teal, white and teal. Whoa! Over there, white and teal. Everything white and teal in the shop. So Metro Restyling, if you guys want a high quality wrap, get on there. Let me get around the other side so you guys can see it here. It's already dirty too. Look, Ovi's putting that to work. Wash me. Yeah, there you go. Wash me over. Yeah, so real quick, guys, I did want to bring up that we were going to go with a company that actually pre-cuts wraps for skid loaders, for other construction equipment. Check them out. It's called Dirty Graphics. They have some super killer kits, and they were trying to hook us up. Unfortunately, this being an older unit, they didn't have a file made up on this. They actually went the extra mile and tried to contact a local dealer and see if they had one on their lot that they could go down and get measurements off of. They didn't, so we weren't able to go through them, but that doesn't mean they're not a great company. So please check them out if you got newer equipment and want to wrap yours. Oh, what's going on here, buddy? So Ovi did it himself, and boy, we cannot complain because this looks so good. We just need to figure out what to do with the yellow and stuff down here, because this area, as you can see, gets a lot of dirt and the tracks tear this sucker up. So I'm afraid it'll rip this wrap right off. So I don't know if we can get a high quality paint to go over that, if we should get that, maybe black that out or something. I think it'll look a lot better just to clean up some of the yellow that is remaining on this unit. But also what we're gonna do, if you come around here, is the cab, the windshield is going to get tinted. So this will be all blacked out, which will be nice. Make it hard to see at night. Why not? It'll look good. Maybe the back window. I'm gonna close the door again, guys, because I'm getting a heck of a glare from the sun. But just appreciate the wrap job. Let me stand back again. Yeah, get that sun out of there. Wait for it, wait for it. There it goes. Yeah, that bad boy is super hot. So yeah, if we could tint the glass, we got a local tint company here in town that could take care of that for us. That would look incredible. Let me try to see if I can get in here. Maybe. And I'll turn the key on. Cut that off. See the stars? See the stars on the skid loader. So not only do we have a custom wrap now, we got the stars in the sky, we're getting window tint, and we're getting this sucker hooked up. Let's not kill the battery. Sorry, Ovi, you have to turn your radio back on. I know you like to work with the radio on. Who doesn't? Oh, gosh. Getting too old to bend like that, aren't I? Woo! But yeah, look at how crazy the wrap looks, just to match the fleet, guys. Looks so sick, I just had to show you. So yeah, Metro Restyling, get yourself a wrap. You can cut it to length, cut it exactly where you need to be. This thing looks crazy, Ove. Did a great job. I freaking love it. And on a side note, guys, we still do get a lot of questions on the 2020 with the 2024 front end L5P Duramax here. The lighting, the headlights, so if you want to take your base model or your 2020 to 2023, I believe, L5P, and put the new style headlights on, obviously you got to buy the new headlights, but they make a wire harness, a plug-and-play harness converter for that, and Mid-South LED offers a super nice one. So feel free to check them out, guys. Get on their website. They offer tons of other lighting options too. You can see marker lights, mirror lights, cab lights, etc. Check out Mid-South LED. They got all kinds of cool stuff, guys. But I wanted to tell you guys about that plug-and-play harness because we get a lot of questions with that, with the bumper, with the grill, how to make it look new. That's how, guys. Hit them up. And yeah, let me go ahead and shut them lights off. And we talked a little bit in the last video about the transmission in this sucker. Ovi did take it down to overtime and pull it onto the lift. So it does appear that maybe it is the valve body issue that is common in this 10-speed Allison transmission, which when I was driving it a couple videos ago, I was complaining about it lugging and shifting funny, and then Ovi's like, oh, this transmission's got problems for sure. We think that's the reason being, and it might be under a recall, so we're gonna see if we can get in on that, but hopefully that's the issue with that to get this thing back in motion. We've also had a lot of good offers on the truck. I think I'm up there in maybe the top 3. Ovi is tinkering around with possibly selling the thing. But again, we need to get the new style. Have you guys seen the new door handles from Boost Auto? We got to get these things because people talk crap about the black ones. We hate them too. But if we can get the white ones with the LED strip in them, those will be super sick. Wanting to get those, so hopefully we can get that going. I know there's a long lead time because it's a new product and everybody wants it. But hopefully we can get that going, get the transmission fixed, and then, yeah, see what we're going to do with this sucker. So, yeah, guys, there it is in the shop. Got the Razor Pro up there with the jet skis, the sled, the CF. Got everything. The shop's looking great. Thank you guys, as always. Follow us on the Instagram page, too. Don't be surprised if I share your truck or if I like your post or whatever. Every time I open that thing, I try to go and give a bunch of love to people. That's what this whole thing's all about. Growing together, enjoying all things that go fast. So anyways, guys, we'll leave you with that. We'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.